In a shocking twist, Katiso Katie Molefe, the man accused of orchestrating the murder of popular DJ Somebody and recently released on 400,000 rand bail, he has now been exposed as the alleged mastermind behind the 23-bullet assassination of Transnet whistleblower Armand Swart. Testimony at the Madlanga Commission has revealed chilling new details about the crime. A protected witness, known only as Witness A, described how Warrant Officer Michael Pule Tau, a former Johannesburg Central SAPS officer turned alleged hitman, sent Molefe a text at 8:17 in the morning saying, "Morning Abuti, Rishapune." That message reportedly confirmed Swati's murder just minutes after the deadly shooting. Swart, a respected engineer and Transnet whistleblower, was gunned down outside QTech Engineering in Vereeniging on the 17th of April 2024. He was shot 23 times in what investigations have called a well-planned execution, allegedly carried out for exposing inflated tender markups at Transnet. CCTV footage shown before the commission captured Tau's Mercedes-Benz Viano circling the area the day before the attack. Moments after the shooting, a white Hyundai i20 was seen speeding away, later found at the home of one of the suspects, Musa Kekana. During arrest in Bramley and Klip River, investigators recovered 5 cell phones, including Tau's main and burner phones. Data extracted from these devices revealed constant communication and plotting between Tau and Molefe in the days leading up to the murder. Police also seized a bag containing 3 firearms, ammunition, and vehicle parts, all now forming part of crucial forensic evidence linking the suspects to the brutal killing. Madlanga Commission is definitely not playing. Things are definitely coming out one by one. Witness A, one of only 2 surviving members from a 5-person investigative team, continues to testify from a secure location as the commission probes possible police corruption and organized crime interference that may have sabotaged justice in the Swart murder case. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on the explosive corruption and murder investigation shaking South Africa's justice system. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.